Hi guys, did you know that in 2024 you still can use iPad first generation? One day I was scrolling Facebook Marketplace and I found a first generation iPad and I thought it's such a cool device for that a low price, and I was wondering, could I still be able to use it for something in 2024, at least for some minimum? Unfortunately, Apple stopped updating iOS for that old device, which is very sad. You still can use some of the standard apps like Notes, Books, or Maps. With the standard features, you also can upload your own pictures and use it as a photo frame, which will still work decent. But that's not why you should get it. So I was looking for a video that will help me to get this iPad more useful. And there is a way to make it work with more apps and the games, and we will discuss it. For the collectors and Apple product lovers, it is a great device to have in their collection, as it was the first iPad that created a whole new line of world products that is called the tablets, and it was the last new device that Steve Jobs has represented. This iconic device was announced in 2010. From the second generation, all iPads had rounded edges, which I didn't really like. And after 10 years, from 2020, Apple decided to move back to their original square edges and almost same look of their product, what makes that iPad even more unique and gives a modern look, almost like a new devices.
Originally, Apple thought to use Atom chip from Intel, but Intel had no suitable processor, as Atom was slow and were heated up too fast, so Apple decided to create their own chip, A4. And from then, Apple were using their own processors.
So, first we'll need a good cord to get it connected to the laptop. Then we'll need app 3U tools. Possibly we'll need a VPN to download it. Then we click on button, break it, and we're getting CD on the desktop screen. Then we're clicking download app sync, and that's it. Now it is possible to download different apps to the iPad. In search, looking for PDA for first iPad. A lot of people linking full archives that should be easy to find. That is a free and pretty straightforward app. Then there is nothing better than old school gameplay and satisfaction of that almost unusable product brought back to life. And here is plenty of games. Even old Minecraft on a minimum specs will work. Plenty of classic games. Then we can try even more serious games like a Modern Combat. That is unbelievable that such graphics can work on this device. Futuristic shooter Nova with a really great gameplay, or even a real racing game. That's really surprising that the graphics work so well. Hard to believe that Apple creators hiding such a precious from consumers. Interesting games like a Crazy Taxi from Sega or Carmageddon. What's funny is these games are not available for any new devices on the App Store. And cherry on top of the cake will be Command & Conquer Red Alert. Legendary game, works absolutely fantastic on first iPad. And again, it's not more available in the App Store. After all being said, can you imagine more suitable investment of a $50? I bet this device will be very rare soon and therefore more valuable. The only advice when you're buying such an iPad, get it on a 32 gigs or more. Otherwise, you won't have enough space for all of these games. On that device, you can forget about reading news from Safari or using social media. It just won't work. It's too old. But here's the way to fix a YouTube app. You will need an app called Tube Fixer and API. You'll have to find full instruction on a YouTube. Here's where to look for it. And YouTube started to work. Even that old device has only one speaker, it's made with a really great quality. Also, you can use a corded old school headphones with 2.5 jack connector. Also, to download and play videos or shows, you'll have to download app AV Player. That will help opening any videos of any type. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you like that video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. That will motivate me for more videos like that. Thanks and bye.